I'm Brian Chris, Product Management Specialist with Knapheide, and the truck behind me is a highly customized version of our KUVcc C-body. We're going to take a look at some of the highlights of this vehicle, including this generator, which is a 7,000 watt generator, and it powers several items, including electrical outlets on the front and rear of the vehicle. On the rear, you've got a flip-up canopy door, and that houses a 600 watt inverter for powering electrical items such as power tools, etc. Down here in this lower compartment, this is set up for propane bottle gas. It's got a bottle gas retainer in here, plus it's ventilated at the bottom and on the back so the fumes don't build up. On the rear of the vehicle, we've got a lot of different features worth noting. At the top of the vehicle, we've got a directional light bar for traffic. We've also got two cameras. One is a backup camera, the other is your rear view mirror. And then over here, we've got LED work lights on each side, master lock handles, additional brake lighting, trailer plugs for both 7 and 4-way, and a receiver hitch. We've also got cone holders. And one other thing, we've got electrical outlets here for both 120 and 240. On the inside, we've got a pair of decked cargo glides. This one runs the full length of the body, and these are great for ultra low roof and low roof applications, because nobody wants to be in the cargo area crawling around looking for all your tools or boxes of wire, etc. On the roof, we have a drop-down ladder rack. It's double-sided. The driver's side drops straight down back to the back via this handle here, and on the curb side, it drops off to the side from this handle here. On the curbside upper compartments, this unique door opens up to a fully extendable pull-out shelf, so you can get all of your equipment easily accessed. Our customers are always looking for new ways to make their body more secure. So we have accomplished that on this body with the puck-style locks, 3-point T-handle latches, electric locks on all the body doors, including the upper canopy doors, and our master lock handles. If you want to learn more about our products, visit knapheide.com.